Dear students, today we will solve exercise 5i. Question number 1 is already done, so we will solve from question number 2. See what is question number 2. 2673 pineapples, 9 baskets. How many pineapples in each basket? You know that you will divide to find the number in each of the equal groups. Okay, you will divide to find the number in each of the equal groups. Question number 2. Here total number of pineapples is 2673. Okay, total number of pineapples are 2673. So we will divide 2673 by 9. Divide it. 2673 divided by 9. We cannot divide 2000 by 9, so we take first two digit, which makes 2600. Okay, 9 goes 26 into 2 times, so we write 2 in hundreds column and we multiply it. 9 2s are 18. We write 18 just below 26 and subtract 18 from 26. Okay, we subtract 18 from 26. 800 left, which when combined with 7 tens make 87 tens. 9 goes 87 into 9 times, so we write 9 in tens column and we multiply it. 9 9s are 81. We write 81 just below 87 and subtract 81 from 87. 6 tens left, which when combined with 3 ones make 63 ones. 9 goes 63 into 7 times, so we write 7 and we multiply it. 9 7s are 63. We write 63 just below 63 and subtract. Then remainder is 0. So answer is what? Answer is 297. Similarly, in question number 3, see what is written. A satellite made 128 orbits around the earth in 8 days. How many orbits did it make in each day? Okay, make it each day. So question number 3 is, here total number of orbits is 128 and number of days are 8. So we will divide 128 by 8. 128 by 8. We cannot divide 100 by 8, so we use first two digit. Okay, so we take first two digit, which make 12 tens, Okay, here 8 as a divisor, and 100s cannot divide by 1, so we take first two digit, which make 12 tens. 8 goes 12 into 1 time, so we write 1 in the columns of 10 and multiply it. 8 1s are 8. Subtract 8 from 12. 4 tens left, which when combined with 8 ones make 48 ones. 8 goes 48 into 6 times, so we write 6 in ones column and multiply it. 8 6 are 48. We will write 48 just below 48 and subtract. Then remainder is 0. Remainder will be 0. So answer is what? Answer is 16. In question number 4, see what is written. Question number 4. There were 144 children in the room. They began forming teams of 6 children in each. Okay, how many teams did they form? Total number of students 144. Here total number of students 144 and number of students in each group 6. So we will divide 144 by 6. Okay, by 6. We cannot divide 100 by 6, so we take first two digit, which make 14 tens. 6 goes 14 into 2 times. 6 goes 14 into 2 times. 6 2s are 12. So we write 2 in tens column and multiply it. 6 2s are 12. We will write 14 just below. We will write 12 just below 14 and subtract 12 from 14. 2 tens left, which when combined with 4 ones make 24 ones. 26 goes 24 into 4 times. We write 4 in ones column and multiply it. 6 4s are 24. We subtract 24 from 24 and remainder will be 0. So answer is what? 24. See question number 5. What is question number 5? How many boxes will be required if 1504 box? Okay, how many boxes will be required if 1504 books are to be packed? Each box containing 8 books. How many books will the last box contain? Okay, total number of books are 1504. So we will write here question number 5. 1504 books and each box contain 8 books. Okay, each box contain 8 books. So we will divide 1504 by 8. We cannot divide 1000 by 8, so we use first two digit. We take first two digit, which make 1500s. 8 goes 15 into 1 times. We write 1 in hundreds column and multiply it. 8 1 8. We write 8 just below 15 and subtract 8 from 15. 700s left, which when combined with 0 10 then 70, it makes 70 tens. 8 goes 70 into 8 times. So we write 8 just below tens column. 8 8 just 64 and write 64 just below 70 and subtract 64 from 70. 6 tens remaining. 6 tens left, which when combined with 4 ones makes 64 ones. 8 goes 64 into 8 times. We write 8 in ones column and multiply 8 8 just 64. Okay, and subtract. So answer is what? Answer is 188. In this way we can solve exercise 5I. Okay.